Hello friends, welcome to SahuStudies. In this video, we are going to discuss about DAX conversion functions in Power BI. So there are a couple of DAX conversion function which is available in the Power BI. And most of the conversion function it will going to use to change the data type. So let's discuss one by one. This is the currency function. It evaluates the argument and return the result as the currency data type. And whatever the value of the currency of what is the signature of the currency function currency, and it's taking one value. This is the format function convert a value to text in the specified number format. So this is the signature, this is the format function, this is the value, and this is the format. So format function will going to convert this value in the format which we have specified here. Another is a date function. It returns the specific date in date and time format. So suppose we want to convert year, month, and date in a time format. So it will going to take year, month, and date. Based on that, it will going to return as a date and time formatted value. Another is time, converts hour, minute, seconds given as a number to a time in a date time format. So suppose we have a hour, we have a minute, and we have a second in the different columns. And if you want to convert those hour, minutes, and column in a single column, and the column type of time or data type, date and time data type. So with the help of a time function, we can able to achieve it. So this is the hour, this is the minute, this is the second. Based on these three parameter, it will going to give a output as a date and time data type, which has hour, minute, and seconds as a value. Date value converts a date in the form of text to which a date in the date and time format. So suppose we have a text, okay, in a specific data format, and we want to convert into a date and time format, date and time data type. So with the help of a date value, we can able to do it. It's taking only one parameter, that is date text. So this is the text value, and that text value will going to convert into date and time data type. Another is value, convert a text string that represents a number to a number. So suppose what it will going to do, it will going to take the text and it will convert to a number. This is why we are using this value function. This is the data model which we are going to use in this exercise. If you want to understand the data model, then please watch video number 12 in this playlist. So what I am just doing here, I am creating a column, and I am just doing, I am just multiplying quantity sold into unit price, and whatever the data type it will going to return, I will just convert into the currency. So you can see the output. The output is in the form of currency. The value is 30 only. The value is 30 only because the quantity is 10, a unit price is 3. That's why value is 30 only. But the currency here we can see there is a prefix currency. From where it is getting? It is generating with the help of this currency function. So let's do this exercise in Power BI. Let me go to the here in the table mode. We are there. We are in the table mode. Here, let me select this AP retail sales by store. Let me create a new column. Let me give a name of the column AP retail total revenue. Okay, so what I'm just doing here, I am creating this column and populating the column with the help of this currency field currency function. In the currency, it is nothing but it will going to convert a value to a currency format. So how we are going to generate a value? AP retail, AP retail sales quantity sold into AP retail unit price. Unit price. Let me run it. Okay. Revenue, let me put underscore one. We can see this is the expression and the output of that expression is 30, and we are changing this expression whatever the value it is returning with the help of a currency. So the prefix is the prefix this prefix currency prefix, it is coming from here only. So let's go to the PPT. So in this video we have seen conversion function. We have discussed the overview of each and every conversion function, and I have demonstrated one conversion function known as currency in Power BI. Thank you. If you like content of my video, then please subscribe my channel, like it, comment on it, and press the bell icon to get notification whenever I add videos.